This fun little thing is an Eagle Paper Fastener, also known as an Eagle Paper Welder. It's a fun little device. It's basically a stapler that works without staples. This is a third iteration, recognizable by the black badge over here, and it's made somewhere between 1940 and 1952. And it's supposed to be able to weld up to 6 sheets of paper, providing those aren't crappy sheets of paper. And with a normal stapler you would go at this side, but with a welder, I don't know if you can see it, these things have these tiny serrated teeth, and you're supposed to stick the paper in between there. So you take the paper, stick it in between, and then you press on it, let it go, and then you get these serrations on both ends. And normally, if I just grab the first sheet, difficult to see from this angle, but everything stays together, just as if it has been stapled. Now, to get rid of the weld, it's easy enough to go over these serrations with your nails, and then it just comes apart again, which is nice if you have documents that are supposed to stay together, but also needs to be copied once in a while. It doesn't take much force to take these papers apart, as you saw. It's still a nifty thing to have. I did find another use for it. Around Christmas time, the company I work for gave us some novelty tea in a novelty container that you can't put up straight anywhere, and after single use turns your tea into some Russian roulette tea. Now, they also gave us some of these little baggies to go with them, but as you can see, these don't close up. So, not a problem. Now I can use this baggie, put some tea in there. There we go. Close it up, and then use my trusty Eagle Paper Fastener to turn this Russian roulette tea into something that's actually drinkable. And just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna do that again. There we go, all closed up and ready to be dumped. Well, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna soon enjoy this not so Russian roulette tea anymore, and yeah, maybe hunt for an Eagle Paper Fastener yourself. Cool little thing. Bye!